In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your voice using ElevenLabs tools and features. Whether you're looking to select from a variety of pre-made voices or create something truly unique, I'll guide you through the process step by step. Let's dive right in. First off, if you're interested in selecting a different pre-made voice, you'll want to head straight to the speech synthesis tool. This tool offers a wide variety of voices, each with its distinct character and tone, so you can find one that fits your specific needs. Simply type your desired script into the text box provided. Then, using the drop-down menu, choose from the selection of available voices to see which one resonates with your project. Once you've selected a voice, it's time to generate the audio. A tip to keep in mind here, you can further fine-tune the voice output by adjusting the stability and quality settings. These adjustments help to refine the expressiveness and clarity of the synthesized speech, ensuring it sounds just right for your particular use case. If you're feeling more creative and want to design your own unique voice, the voice design or voice cloning features are the way to go. For voice cloning particularly, you have two options: instant voice cloning and professional voice cloning. Let's start with instant voice cloning. This option is fantastic if you want to get results quickly and with minimal input. All you need is a minute of audio recording from the voice you wish to clone. Once you upload this sample, the tool processes it and generates a new voice based on your specifications. On the other hand, if you're looking for higher quality or a more precise match, professional voice cloning is your best bet. While this method might take a bit longer due to its in-depth processing capabilities, it enables a more accurate replication of the original voice, making it an excellent choice for professional applications where quality is paramount. Once you opt for this option, simply wait for the system to process the new voice. This feature is perfect for those who need a more refined outcome for a project or presentation. Remember, patience here pays off with higher fidelity results. We live in an age where technology provides us the ability to manipulate and create voices precisely tailored to our requirements. ElevenLabs offers a robust platform that combines ease of use with powerful customization options, giving you the creative freedom to vocalize your content in virtually any style imaginable. So there you have it. Whether it's selecting from a diverse array of pre-made voices or crafting an entirely new one through cloning, ElevenLabs ensures your needs are covered with its innovative and user-friendly tools. Have fun exploring and creating voices that bring your projects to life.